Hello. Super excited to be here again after several weeks of not uploading any video. I have been very busy working for other scripts for other projects, and today I'm excited to inform you that we've made similar scripts, okay, for animal farm, stake protocol, and other assets like BUSD, USDT, and others. Okay, pigs, pig pen, all of them. The scripts are ready and they work basically like the drip script. Okay, now all these scripts is to aid you move your assets, okay, or protect your assets from a compromised account, okay, before the hacker can discover that you have all these projects, you have all this investment. Okay, you need to get them out. And basically what the hacker does is that is going to put like a sweeper on your account so that you don't have BNB or TRS or whatever credit you need to perform a transaction. It's just going to make sure you don't have that in your account. Okay, so the aim of this channel, the aim of this scripts also is to help you get all those assets out, okay, even with a sweeper on. Okay, you are going to outsmart the sweeper with the script to get your assets to a safer account. And from the comments so far, I'm very excited. I'm very happy from the comment I get after the drip script. You can see from my channel, you can see the comment, the very nice comment I get on my channel. Okay, and it's quite encouraging. It's a God sent. Yeah, I thank God for that. Okay, it's really nice, and I urge you to keep the comments coming. It's going to help me, it's going to encourage me to produce to work harder, to get more script, okay, to produce to build more script, okay, to aid you get all your funds out, okay, including NFTs. Okay, I've started working on NFTs and drip guarding also. Okay, very soon those scripts should be out. So today I just want to do a short video, okay, showing you all the scripts that are available that can aid you get whatever assets that you have. Like I said, including NFTs, we'll soon bring out those scripts. Okay, so these are my handles. Okay, feel free to chat me up, feel free to call when I have time. I'm going to pick. Okay, and also drop a comment on my channel, and I'll always try as much as possible to reply all comments. Okay, also share this video, and just a way to encourage me to do more. Okay, most of you are aware of the drip script. You have the a hacked wallet and you are unable to transfer, you are unable to claim, you are unable to do anything. Okay, your asset is just there, you can't do anything. You have enough available, you want to claim out, you want to transfer out, but unfortunately you don't have, you are unable to send in BNB to perform the transaction. Okay, so this script will help you outsmart whatever bot the hacker has on your account. Okay, we can only modify to suit your own taste, okay, to suit, you know, whatever we most of the time the script is customized, okay, to be able to beat a particular hacker. Okay, so if what you normally do when you contact me, I will ask for the TS hash of the hacker's transaction in order to modify and customize your own script before delivering them to you directly to your mail. Okay, so that is that. Now the claim script aid you to claim. Drip transfer script aid you to transfer out of your hacked wallet to a safer account. Then the transfer from script, okay, aid you to transfer, okay, from a safe account. Okay, in your safe account there is BNB for the gas fee. You can use your safe account to transfer out from your hacked account. Okay, but before you can do that, you must give an approval, and that is where the approval script come into play. Okay, your approval script is to give your safe account approval to your hacked account to transfer out drip. Now the reverse script is used to revoke, okay, the hacker's account in case the hacker has given an approval on your account already. Then the drip auto recompile script, okay, this can be used for both okay, the drip auto recompile script can be used for both free account and hacked account. Okay, you have a free account, you want to auto recompile after you have like maybe 2 drip available, 1 drip available, 10 drips available. You want to recompile, you want to recycle into the system. You can use this script. You just have to specify how many drips you want you want to have in the available before the drip take action. Okay, so let's say I want to recompile every after 2 drips, after 3 drips, or after 4 drips. Okay, the system once the script will keep on fetching balance in the available, and once the balance in the available is up to 4, up to the specified amount, it will automatically recompile. This can be used for those that don't have time to do all this little transaction. This script can help you do that automatically without you worrying about recompounding. And whenever you want to stop it, it's as good as putting off the script. So that is that for this drip Python script. Okay, all the scripts are written in Python, so you need to watch my video on how to set up a Python development environment. Okay, and if you don't even like seeing those scripts, seeing the black background and all those things, okay, you can ask me to create a GUI for you. Okay, a graphical user interface where you just see a button, you click. For example, in the drip auto recompile, you see a button where you are going to enter the amount of drip you want to recompile. You want to recompile after this particular amount of drip, let's say 2, you put 2 there, then you click a button, recompile after this. So that is easier for those people that hate seeing black background, or that hate the term programming. I don't want to even think of what is happening behind the scene. They just want to get the job done. Okay, we can create a GUI for you. Okay, so that is based on request. Okay, mostly a raw script so that it can be easily modified. Okay, to outsmart the hacker at any point. Okay, whenever you get any script from us, we will also be in touch, getting your feedback, okay, and also listening to your problems, and also tell you what to modify. Also, it's very important you also know that you should not modify unless we ask you to do so. Okay, that is that. So Splasive, okay, Splasive is another investment just like the drip. Okay, so for a hacked wallet also we have similar script similar to that of drip. Okay, Splasive auto roll also can be used for both free and hacked account. Okay, where you auto roll, okay, at after a specific amount of balance in your Splasive project or Splasive account. So that is that. Then we have the animal farm. Okay, the animal farm is another forest shark project, and I took my time to really work on each of these scripts. Okay, we have the claim script for your pick credit, we have the withdrawal script from your pick pen. Okay, your pick pen, you have deposit in there and you want to get it out. Unfortunately, you can't get it out because you can have enough BNB in your account to transfer them out. Okay, because of the hackers action script or bots on your account. This can help you outsmart the hacker. So whenever you notice any unauthorized transaction on your account, quickly get this script and get out all your assets, remove all your assets to a safer wallet. And it's also good, I advise you not to ever give out your private key or your seed phrase to anybody. I heard of a case where the hacker requested for seed phrase to synchronize account, which there's nothing like that. Your seed phrase, your private key is the only claim to your asset, is the only claim to your wallet. Every wallet has no particular KYC, like the name attached to the wallet, other KYC attached to the wallet. The only power you have over your wallet is your seed phrase and your private key. Please make sure it is as safe as possible. Also, make sure you don't save them in emails. Your email, don't save them in your email. We've had situation where hackers were able to hack emails and were able to steal all this information from your email. Every vital information, make sure you leave them out of your email. Not just this, other important information, please make sure you leave them out of your email. Keep them safe, most preferably hard copy in a safe place. It's better for you. We have issues where computers are hacked, and if you have all these things in your system, even if you have them in your system, make sure they are encrypted. These are things you should do to safeguard your account. So let's continue. We have the claim reward script, where you can claim from your pick pen. You claim your reward from a pick pen. We have the sell script to sell your truffles in the pick pen. Whenever you want to sell your truffle, all you need to do is put on the script. Then there is a particular amount of BNB you will be advised to send into the system. Once you send it, the hacker will not be able to take it. It will be hard for it. Though there are other advanced hackers, their bot is extremely responsive. They can easily detect any change in the account and will sweep everything away. In such situation, there are other advanced things we can also do, but the script is also is going to be very, very useful. But those things to bypass those type of hackers, we'll discuss with you as we share the script with you. That is that. Then approval script, the same way, giving approval to your free account to make transaction on a particular contract. For example, the approval script for the pig is to transfer out pig from your safe account, from your hacked account, using your safe account. To transfer your LP also. When you have an LP, you have LP liquidity pool in your account, you can say give approval to transfer it out. And we have also, I forgot to put that, LP transfer script that helps you transfer your script outside outside your hacked wallet. approval script for BUSD. We also have the BUSD transfer script. Okay, all these scripts are readily available and highly efficient, highly the success rate is quite high. Based on, if you look at the comment from my channel, you can attest to that also. Okay, that is that. So that is just what I have for you today. So you just try to check it out, and I'm also working on our website, which will be out very soon. Okay, it's just that I'm always busy trying to modify my script, try to make it more smarter, try to build more scripts. Okay, so that is like this, just how all the scripts work. You have an interface like this. After running it, you see some information here. Whenever you have the particular asset which you are using the script for, whenever you have a balance greater than 0, you need to transfer it to a safe wallet for you. So that is how all the script work, just like the drip script. If you have that before, if you have seen that before, and if you have not seen it before, just check my channel. I demonstrated how it works. So that is that about that. Okay, please do share, like, comment, just support me any way you can, and just a way to encourage me to do more and more and more. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.